Hi guys, I'm Matteo Lavezzini and today we tie this fly.
Jig nymph with the orange antron spot, orange Brill UV body and the peacock dubbing spot with golden bead, tungsten.
Before start, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, but most important is join the channel. Join the channel is the big way to support me to continue to make for you fly tying video and fly fishing video too. In the description below you can find all the special offer for you. Join the channel. Join the channel is not subscribe. Join is different and is not possible from iPhone, but you need to do from or Android, Samsung, or computer, PC, laptop, okay? When you are on computer, you will look on Lavezzinifly subscribe button and you can subscribe, yes, but most important is the other button, join. Join the channel, you choose the level you prefer and you can give to me the big support as possible. And for you, there are the special offer in the description below. But now we start with the fly tying video of today.
Hook is size 10, jig hook, barbless, and the bead is tungsten slotted bead, 3.8, so 4, color gold. Insert the hook into the bead. If you tie smaller like size 12, you will use 3.3. If you tie smaller again like 14, you will use 2.8. Fix the hook to the vise. Take the thread will be standard 30 orange. You can use 60 also, or power thread, big small, because to fix the brill after is nice, have a nice thread, strong. Fix the thread on my hook, cut off the excess, now I go with the thread near the hook bend, yes, like that. Now I take antron yarn, orange, this one, take a piece like that and fix it on the hook shank and cut off the excess. Fix very well. Now with the scissor I cut here and now I take Brill orange, fix the brill to the hook shank. Now take the standard classic color wire 018 color gold, take a piece from the spool, fix the wire too, now make the body conical shape, so go on, go back, go on, go back and stop before the first step, go on, go back and stop before second step, go on, go back, stop third step, go on. Now, first step is wrap the brill like that, step by step. And fix it near the bead. Cut off. After this, we have wrap like that, so with this we go in this direction with the tinsel, opposite direction. And fix here. Cut the thread, the tinsel. Now stop with the orange that we have finished with this, and we change thread. We will use black one, 80. I fit on my bobbin. Open the spool inside the bobbin, close it, pass the thread into the pipe of the bobbin. Now fix the thread here, cut off the excess, take a fine diamond dubbing dark peacock, this kind of dubbing, and fix it on the thread like a cord, and do this. Okay. Close with usual knot, 1, 2 and 3 knots like usual. Cut off the thread, take my usual bodkin, clean it, take the hardened clear glue, and put a drop of glue here. And our nymph with the orange brill and the peacock spot is finished and ready to fish.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, but most important is join the channel. Join the channel is a very big support for me to continue to make for you fly tying video and fly fishing video too. Thanks again and see you next time. Bye!